Hey y'all, it's Marvin at Georgia Door and Gate. I'm the CEO, owner of Georgia Door and Gate. Thank you for taking the time to visit our website. We're so glad you're here. I hope you take some time and look around at all the information that we have here on this site, and hopefully you can learn something that would benefit you. Now, there's no such thing as a dumb question in the door business. So if you have something that you can't figure out or get answered from our website, feel free to fill out the form, do the email, call us, and we would love to have a conversation. Now, a lot of times people come to our website because they're having a bad day. Somebody backed into their garage door or the door's not working. If that's you, I'm glad you're here. We can help. If you're here because you're wanting to upgrade the face value of your house and put a brand new shiny carriage style door on, we're here to help with that too. Whatever your needs are. Our heart is to serve our community to the best of our ability and to do our work as unto the Lord. We are so thankful for each one of you that are here in our community, and we would love to have a conversation and build a relationship with you. Thank you for joining us on our journey.